Aming memorandum na dawat, ang amo regional director, assistant regional director, district engineers, naghatag na og courtesy resignation. Nag-submit na sila resignation through email kay secretary. So, pero kung mangutan na nag-duty pa ba sila karon? Yes, nag-duty pa sila kay as per the memorandum, they will still report to the office and function to their duties and responsibilities, not unless na anay further directive sa secretary nga na sila nabuhat nga sayo or siguro silang distrito na mga substandard nga project based na sa pagsuta ni secretary, pero ga-report pagyapon sila on duty. Ang secretary sa DPWH, si Secretary Vince Dizon, naghatag siya og department memorandum asking all of the district engineers. I think for the whole Philippines, they are roughly 200 plus district engineers nga maghatag og unqualified courtesy resignation, same as the regional directors and assistant regional directors. So as to sa reason, ang isa man gud sa nikalat last week, hala ka guilty ni sila nga mga district engineers kay naghatag sila courtesy resignation para to save their name, to save their face. Nag-resign na lang sila before mo gawa siyon. So actually dili na ang rason because the reason is nag-obey ang atong executive officials kung unsa ang gipagawas nga memorandum ni secretary. So the moment nga nigawas ng memorandum and then gitagaan sila deadline kung kano sa i-submit, then they have to submitted their courtesy resignation. Kaysa karon wala pa siya further action. Ang latest ang iskato ipasubmit sila courtesy resignation.